Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet the eyes for bigger amigurumi. The eyes you can crochet like this one with the black edge or without. And the eyes you can crochet a little bit bigger or smaller. How it works I show you now. Wish you a lot of fun. Subscribe to my channel and let's begin. For the eyes I use cotton yarn. This is Catania from Schachenmeier, but if you want you can use any yarn. But for this video, instead the black color I use the purple, but with the black yarn you can't see the stitches. Therefore this color is today black. We need matching crochet hook. I crocheted with crochet hook 2.5 mm is this one, but if you use 2 mm the eyes are a little bit smaller, like this. And we need scissors and sewing needle. I put the black color and I start with the magic ring. And crochet first round 9 single crochet in the ring, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now cut this yarn, pull yarn, pull this yarn and close the ring, and I will sew the last stitch. In this first stitch, from the front to the back through both loops, and in this last stitch only in the back loop, from the front to the back, and sew yarn on the back side. It was first round. I put green yarn for the green eyes and I start crochet somewhere, it doesn't matter where. Pull yarn and pull yarn, and now I crochet 2 single crochet in every stitches. And 2, 1 and 2. This repeat to the end of round, and 2, and in the last stitch 2 single crochet, and in this first stitch I crochet 1 single crochet. Now cut this yarn and I will sew the last stitch again. In this first stitch through both loops from the front to the back, and in the last stitch only in the back loop from the front to the back, sew yarn on the back side, and second round is ready. Next round I put the white color, I start again somewhere, pull yarn and pull yarn, and here I crochet 1 single crochet in every stitches, but these stitches I crochet loosely and this repeat to the end of round. And the last stitch, cut this yarn and I sew the last stitch again. In the first stitch through both loops, from the front to the back, and in the last stitch in the back loop. And now you can finish work in this round, and then looks the eyes like this. But now I will sew this white point. I come with this yarn somewhere here, and now to the front, in the next stitch to the back, and again to the front, to the back, and sew yarn on the back side. If you want the eyes like this, I crochet the last round. I put again black yarn. I start somewhere, but now I crochet only in the back loops, pull yarn and pull yarn, and here I crochet slip stitches, grab yarn, pull yarn, pull yarn, and the stitches I crochet again loosely, and this repeat to the end of round. And the last stitch, again cut this yarn, but if you want to sew the eyes on the head, then you can leave this yarn a little bit longer and sew the eyes on the head between these two rounds. Pull yarn, and I sew the last stitch again. In the first stitch through both loops, from the front to the back, and now pull this yarn a little bit. In the last stitch through back loop, and so you can finish the work. Sew all yarns on the back side. And the eyes are ready. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.